Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is one of my how-to videos. If you're here, you recently purchased a Spectra pump and you used to use Medela and you have 1,000,001 of these storage containers, all different sizes too, and you have all your parts and you don't want to buy all new containers. You're in luck. You don't have to. All you need is this magic little tool right here that you can get on Amazon, and that's all you really need, and you can convert it, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So you have your Spectra pump, you have the tubing that comes with the Spectra pump, and you go ahead, you hook it up, you take the other piece off. You're going to leave this little plastic part that sticks up just like that, and that's where it will go. You take these, you put it on here, and if you have Medela pump tubing with the yellow little thing on it, you can use that too. You just cut off the yellow top off, or because I don't think you can pull it out on its own, and you can hook it up to this, but you do need this because that is for the Spectra pump. You hook that up just like that. And for me personally, a reason why I did not switch to the Spectra pump too is because their flange comes all in one with this. So I use my own flanges. Like these are silicone, so they're really comfortable, and I feel like they pull more milk out. I will link where I got them somewhere, and maybe I'll do another video talking about this because there's more to say, but these are amazing. So yeah, it was all in one. I didn't like that because I have my own flanges that I want to use. So that's one of the main reasons why I switched. So you get that hooked up. You have your Medela things here. I don't even know what these are called, but you know what they are. And I know Medela has that yellow connector with the little flap of a membrane. It sucks. Just get rid of it. You can go on Amazon, or I think the Spectra comes with these little. They're called duckbill. They're called duckbill. Membranes. Duckbill membranes, I think. But yeah, they're just better. They're cheap too, so you just get these. So yeah, these are amazing. I love these. So yeah, these are pretty good. They get the milk out pretty well, better than that yellow thing with the membrane flap. Yeah, I've been using those. Even when I did use my Medela pump, I got rid of that because I couldn't stand it. So what you're gonna do is the very top here where your old Medela tubing would go, this is what gets it connected to the Spectra pump here. And then you do the same thing over here, connect that. So now you don't have to use their flange. You can use your silicone flange, get it hooked up like so, and then you know how to do the rest, and then you'll hook up yours like this. It's really easy. It's really big looking, but it's fine. It's fine. And that's my daughter in the background. And then there you go. There you have it. Really simple. So you can keep all your Medela stuff. And that's it. That's all you have to do. And you have your Medela stuff with your Spectra pump. Until next time. Bye guys.